Good morning, everybody. This is Bridget here again. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's just going to be a very simple dish. I'm going to make pepper water my way with only tomatoes and no tamarind. So, it's a very easy recipe, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy making it since it's quite simple and quite quick. By the way, there's no grinding or anything involved, so you could use whatever powders you have in the house. So let me take you through the ingredients. So first of all, we'll start with the tempering. So we have one small onion that I've sliced, a few curry leaves, some garlic, few pods of garlic that I've smashed. You need not remove the skin if you don't want. A few peppercorns and half a teaspoon of mustard. So these are the tempering ingredients. So then for the actual pepper water, I have taken like 2 medium-sized tomatoes and I've ground it in the mixie, made it into tomato juice. If you don't want to do that, you could chop your tomatoes small and add it instead of making it into a juice. But when we make it into a juice, it boils faster. Okay, next. We have like 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, the mild version, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground pepper or pepper powder, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients, and we're going to now start with the tempering first. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and we'll start. So just keep watching. And so I've heated around 1.5 tablespoons of oil in this pan. I'm going to add the mustard. Once this splutters, then we'll add in our other tempering ingredients. This may take about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Just wait for some time. So you can see the mustard has started spluttering. I'm going to add in our chopped onions, sliced onions, the peppercorns, the garlic, and your curry leaves. So we'll fry this for a little while. So we'll just wait till till the onions turn light brown. So you can see that the onions are turning light brown, and your garlic also is fried well. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes. So now that the onions and the garlic have browned well, we're going to add in the tomato juice. So we let this fry for a little while. Now I'm going to add in all these powders. Just 2 minutes, we'll just let them fry. And now I'm going to add in like 2 cups of water. Okay, now we are going to let this come to a boil. Let it come to a nice bubble, and you can see that the pepper water is coming to a nice boil. Let it bubble, and then we'll switch off. So the pepper water will draw in all the flavors, and this is a very easy way of making a pepper water. You can see that I didn't add any tamarind, so it won't be very sour. The tartness comes from the tomatoes. It's almost done. Maybe we boil it for 2 more minutes. So the total time taken for it to come to a boil and then to bubble would be around say 3 to 4 minutes. That's all. So I'm not straining away the residue because we used tomato juice instead of chopped tomatoes. So it could be eaten like this, or could be had as a health drink. You could, for digestion. So now our pepper water is ready. We can switch off. Let it rest for a little while, and then you could have it for your lunch. And our pepper water, as you can see, is ready. We can serve it out. It smells really, really good. And you can have it with plain rice and a meat fry, or with some fried fish that I'm going to have today. So here you go, your Anglo-Indian tomato pepper water is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. A quick and easy way of making an Anglo-Indian tomato pepper water. Do like and share this video if you liked it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.